Hello, this is Thomas coming back to you with a quick update. It is a blistering 150 or 115 degrees here in Phoenix, Arizona. I come out to check on the bees, see how they're doing, how the cooling's going. Let me zoom in here. 115 degrees, no bearding at all. They seem comfortable. And now they got the porches on there. They are 37.7. I don't know why they're always a lot hotter than the other ones. The humidity is 36.5. The big monster hive is 35.5 Celsius, 27.8 humidity. So it's 115 degrees, and my cooling boxes are doing the job. I don't know why the other one's not. I'm gonna have to go through it with a fine-tooth comb, but they should be cool inside there, but they're not for some reason. I don't know. But they got their new front porch there, and they look like they're happy-go-lucky. This is Thomas, the Unorthodox Beekeeper, signing out.